we're in a circle. On the inside is the man or the lead, and on the outside is the woman or the follower. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do what I call a bachata step to the left and right, and then do it again and turn the woman at the same time. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3. I turn the lady. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. Now we're going to step forward and kick. I'm going to step on my left, kick with my right. The lady is going to step on her right and kick with the left, and then alternate. Step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, and then step behind. Now from this position, we kick them from behind, and then we're going to separate. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and the men will rotate 1, 2, 3, touch to their next part. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to show you without the music a few iterations, and then we'll put the music on. All right. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3. Turn the lady. 1, 2, 3. Turn her back. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, back. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. To the left. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2. I turn the lady. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step behind. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Touch. All right. That is the Western bar dance. Now we're going to put it to music.